somehow, we gravitated back towards each other. Okay, yesterday, but I know it's like back to back and it's kind of putting stuff in people's head. But there's actually nothing. But if there will be anything, it will just be chills. It's not you're holding me, I'm holding you. You can be. I feel day now, man, like case finished. I feel day now. Kiss person. She feel day now go kiss Michael. But there's a cool understanding. No, but no, I'm not mad. She like, I'm telling you, bro. So at that point in time, don't cruise. I'm not mad. And then if she's not start getting mad about me, or other people more like this, I'll be.
But how long do you think this can go?
I can wake up tomorrow and go a different direction. It's cruise, man, bro. To me, it's just so if you're in a ship, be in the ship genuinely. If you're not or more, just be cruise. Like me, nobody is faulting me for anything. Nobody has been able to question me. Say, yo, what did you do? You like to as what? What's I'll tell you? I'm not telling you anything different from what I'm telling the rest of the people. So at the end of the day, I feel like even me being in the ship now might not even feel for me. Because I feel like I'm for the streets and it works better. Everybody is happy to have a peace. It brings a lot of entertainment. If you have started with sheep, stay in your sheep.
Yeah, true.
If you have started okra, stay there.
For okra, not dry ham.
Yes, if you dry ham, everybody, if you turn it red, if everybody know like the babe or the guy. So some people want the okra, leave them in. So some people they form with this babe. The babe is telling people you're not to with her. What the fuck? Like it's conflicting. You're going to say this, my people. The babe is telling people I'm free.